everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to activate Ulta Mastercard online. So if you want to learn how, keep watching the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. First, open up your preferred web browser and go to the URL box and type in Ulta Mastercard Activate. Press enter on your keyboard, which will take you to the search result on the next page. Click on this first link which says Ultimate Rewards Mastercard Activate Primary Card Holder. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in this Activate Your Card page. In the text boxes, enter your credit card account number you are trying to activate. Your account number is available right on your MasterCard or your credit card. Make sure to enter the account number correct that is associated with your account. Now, on the next field, enter the expiration date for your card. After you are done, on the next field, select one of the verification methods you'd like to use. You can choose between Social Security number, Social Insurance number, and alternate identification number. Select any one option that you find comfortable with. On the next field, write down the last 4 digits of your selected verification method. Finally, type in your zip code or postal code and click continue. Follow through the instructions till the end and you'll be able to activate your Ulta Mastercard online. That is how it's done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.